Hello, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. I have been off the grid, really unintentionally, but it's been over a week, I think, since I made a video. I went on vacation and didn't have my tools to work with, so I kind of got out of practice. But I'm trying to get back into the groove. This video is just to show you what I've been doing while I've been off the grid. I made some reversible jewelry. So what I'm doing here is putting the cord on the necklace that I made. What I did is I had some hand-painted acrylic that I had already done a while ago, and I painted the back of it, and then I put it together to make this reversible jewelry that I'm going to show you. Now, this is what was originally the back side of my hand-painted acrylic that I did. But so I I kept changing how I was painting this because I didn't like it, and I painted over. Then I painted black over it, and then I painted some gold over the black. So this is what we end up with. But wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Here comes the other side. So we went from a basic color that you could wear with anything to this kind of floral looking, spring, summerish looking necklace that I love. So I love both sides of this necklace. So I am just on a tangent now of making these reversible pieces of jewelry. I'm just having big fun with it. I haven't recorded the video on this whole thing yet, but I will get it recorded and post it at some point. There are a lot of little things that you need to know. I had to figure out really how to put this together, but I did work it out, and I was very, very happy with the way the construction worked out. And this is another acrylic set that I cut out on my Glowforge. This again is some hand painted acrylic that I did. I do have a paid tutorial on how you paint your own acrylic, and there is a link to it in the description if you're interested in doing your own thing. We do a Tuesday live subscriber chat, and I'm looking for some people that I would like to interview about their business, and so they can showcase their business. So let me know if you are interested in being interviewed on our live Tuesday live subscriber chat. All right, good people, this is Sherry saying, as always, oh well, wait, I'm out of practice. Please like, share, comment, all the good things. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.